welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today is going to be quite an exciting video because I headed out to Target last week and I got myself a Kindle. So yay, I finally got a Kindle. I've been wanting a Kindle for so long and I finally got one, so I'm so excited. This is the Kindle Paperwhite with the adjustable warm light. I only got the 8 gig one because that's all they had available at my Target. I think this is like the 2022 version, the 11th gen. I was debating which one to get, but I got like the middle one, I believe. So there's like a Kindle Basic and then there's like the expensive Oasis, but this is the Paperwhite. I think I'm going to be happy with it, and I also got to price match it, so I got it even cheaper in Target. Just this week they came out with different colors, which there was like a green one and like a different color one on Amazon. And this is just the plain black, so I'm kind of disappointed in that, but maybe later on I can upgrade. We'll see how I like reading on a Kindle. I've been reading on my iPad since 2014, so I didn't start reading like physical books again until the start of 2021, I believe. So I switched over to like real physical books, and then now I think I'm gonna go back the digital route and read on my Kindle because I've been reading on my iPad. I read on my iPad every night. I think I've read for like 570 days straight on my iPad. I love that it keeps track of it, so I'm gonna continue like a few like short stories on there, or like switch back and forth between my like iBooks on my iPad to this and then a physical book. So yeah, I am going to switch the angles and we can open this up and then we'll set it up. And I also got some accessories for it, so we'll like put the accessories on it. So I'm just so excited for this video. Let's go. I'm back now. Everything is all set up. I think that took me about 45 minutes. It took me a lot longer because I was filming it for this and also my TikTok, so that's why it took me a while. But it's really easy to set up. I set it up with my iPhone through the Kindle app, and that was pretty easy. I also took the ads off of here. I watched a TikTok where you can just chat with the customer service of Amazon, ask that if you could take them off, and they'll take it off for free. So yeah, that was fun. So I just need to put like a book cover on here. I've downloaded some books, which I'll talk about in a minute, but yeah, there we go. I also customized it, which is super fun. So you know me, I am a hot pink girly. I love everything to match. Everything has to be hot pink, and I think 2023 is the color of the year is like a hot fuchsia color or whatever. I don't care, it is hot pink to me. So my phone matches, now my Kindle matches, my iPad is hot pink. So all of the devices I have, like my AirPod case, my power bank, like everything, if I can get it in a hot pink shade, I will. So I did. Just the pop socket is a lighter pink. I was gonna buy a neon hot pink one, but it was like out of stock and it will take like a month to get to me. So I got this one instead, and it's super pretty, and it has like pink flowers. And then I bought these book stickers, I don't know, several months ago, and it's just been here on my desk. Well, I got to use them and put them here because technically it's transparent, this case. So I got it off of Amazon, and after I bought it I went out and got it. That's why it took me so long to film this video, because I was waiting for this to come in and the pop socket. So this is the case. I'll link it down below. It's called the Mission Raspberry Red case, but it is like a hot pink color. Thank goodness I found my signature color in on Amazon. So yeah, that was the accessories. I put them on. Now I can talk you through some of the books that I downloaded. I have a wish list on my phone about all the books that I saw on Book Talk that are on Kindle Unlimited, because I got the 3-month free trial. So yeah, I'll show you some of that now. This is supposed to be the lock screen. If I'm reading a book, it will do that. I linked my Goodreads on here, so that's fun. And I've had my Goodreads, I think, since 2011, 2012. So my Goodreads is very old. So we're gonna unlock it and then swipe up. And there is an air bubble right there. I put the screen protector. I did not film that process because I was just here on my bed trying to smooth it out. And apparently I didn't get it. Here is my library, what it looks like. I downloaded a few books, as I said. The first book I feel like I want to read, and it automatically went to it because I accidentally touched it, but good thing because I really wanted to read it, is Things We Never Got Over by Lucy Score. I actually have the physical book and I'm staring at it, but we're gonna read it on the Kindle. I have a lot of these books as like physical books, so I'm gonna try to get ones that are Kindle Unlimited while I have like the free trial. I downloaded the Eden series by Devony Perry. That one sounded so interesting. And then Flawless by S.E. Silver. I can't really see like the names of them. I might be wrong with that because there's like a huge check mark right there that I can't see her actual name. And then the Fine Print by Lauren Asher. I have the books as well, but I'm excited to start that. And I think that is it. No, I downloaded more. Also downloaded Twisted Love, so the Twisted series by Anna Huang. Also have those on paperback, but we're gonna read it on here. Magnolia Parks, A Not So Meet Cute by Megan Quinn. I heard such good things about those 3 books, so looking forward to reading that. So yay, I got some romance books since Valentine's Day is coming up, or it's already passed. Honestly, I don't know when this video is going to go out because I'm probably going to be sucked into this thing and just read for the foreseeable future. So hopefully you get to see this video and I don't get distracted by reading. I have those few books. Please give me some Kindle Unlimited recommendations down below because I'd love to know your favorites, and I'm gonna add so much more to this after like I finish the ones that I have downloaded. But yay, I'm super excited. I can't wait and to like set everything up and do all that fun stuff. So yeah, that was my Kindle unboxing slash first impressions video. You're gonna see more book content on this channel because I'm going to start reading a lot more. I did last year and it's gonna be even worse this year with a Kindle. So yeah, that is it. I will link everything that I mentioned down below in the description. The case, the Kindle. I got mine at Target. Make sure to price match it if you want a very good deal. That's what I did. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!